In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert video to audio in CapCut PC, step by step, so you can quickly turn any video clip into a separate audio file. This is super useful if you want to save a voiceover, music, a podcast clip, or any sound from a video without keeping the video itself. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. If you already have a project open, you can use that, or start a new one depending on what video you want to work with. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top panel and click Media. This is where you can bring your video file into CapCut. Now import the video you want to convert into audio. You can usually drag and drop it from your computer or use the import option if you prefer. After the file is added, drag the video down into the timeline. This is important because CapCut needs the clip on the timeline before you can separate the audio from it. Once the video is placed on the timeline, right-click the video clip. A menu will appear with different editing options, and from that menu, select Extract Audio. CapCut will automatically pull the audio out of the video and create a separate audio track below the video clip. You'll now see the audio sitting independently on the timeline, which means the sound has been separated successfully. If your goal is only to keep the audio, you can now delete the original video clip from the timeline. Just be careful not to delete the audio track by mistake. At this point, you should only have the audio remaining, ready for export. Now that the video has been converted into audio inside CapCut, it's time to save it to your computer. Click Export in the top right corner of the screen. In the export settings, choose audio as the export type if that option is available. Depending on your CapCut version, you may also be able to choose an audio format like MP3. If you see multiple format options, pick the one that works best for your needs. Then double-check the export settings, choose your save location, and click Export one more time to save the audio file to your computer. After that, CapCut will process the file and export just the sound from your video, which means you now have an audio-only version ready to use wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully converted video to audio in CapCut PC. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut editing guides, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.